Alright guys, so we have all the seats down in the Explorer and we're ready to go to a church sale. So let's go! Alright guys, so it's a beautiful rainy day outside today. If you guys are just tuning into my channel, my name is Rocco and I live in Pennsylvania. Lived in Pennsylvania most of my life. I'm from Philadelphia originally. I lived in Jersey for a number of years and I came to Harrisburg in 2000. I struggled with drug and alcohol addiction for a long time and finally found my way and found my calling with reselling. So I've been reselling for about 5 years now, and yeah, so far it's been an interesting journey. So if you guys are interested in this type of content and this type of struggle, real type of life where, you know, you can actually turn your life around and do something positive with it, then subscribe to the channel. Anyway, without any further ado, let's get into the video. We're going to take a drive. It's about 50, it's like almost an hour away. It's in Shippensburg, and I live in Duncannon, which is like, yeah, it's a hop, skip, and a jump. So let's go. There it is. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave now. It's 7:44. I want to be early. It's like an hour away. All right, guys, we are here now. I don't know if they started already. This is like a one-day sale. And I think people might be waiting. Yeah, I think people are waiting to go in. So I'm probably going to go out there and stand outside. All right, guys, here we are. I'm going to go stand in line because I want to be first in this building. Everyone else is just kind of sitting in their car, but I don't roll like that. So we'll see. As soon as somebody comes out, I'm going to see if we need a bag. I don't know how this works, but hopefully it's a pretty cheap sale. But forgot to bring my bags. You know, I have all them tie-back bags, and of course I forgot to bring them.
Thank you. Oh, I love your St. Patrick's Day skirt. You dressed very accordingly today. I love it. Even noticed. Really? Oh, look, you got really lucky. Look at that. Oh,
Morning.
Hello. Do we need a bag or anything, or just
No, we
kind of
have
make
plenty of bags. Unless you want a bag to carry.
Yeah, sure. I probably should have brought some. Huh?
Well, there's boxes here. How about a box?
That'll work. Yeah, sure.
What size box is it?
I don't know.
Is that big enough or not?
Yeah, that'll work for now, I guess.
What's in there?
Something got left in there.
No, it probably ain't no good anyway. You can have it.
A craft or something. Thank you. Oh, excuse me.
You want something to carry around?
Hello. How you doing? Chaps. Starter. And then that one might be linen. Dicky. Nautica.
It doesn't wheel. It doesn't wheel. I'm just sliding it. Have a good day.
Good brand. No. Wrangler. Oh, there we go. Brand new tag. Not too bad. Ellis, there it is. That's an old starter. Jesus. Like that. It's on there. No. Bella. Okay. Let me take this Cabela. It's an old LL too. Take it off also. Let's make a pile. I don't think that's going to be big enough. Right, is it okay if I make a pile somewhere? Or?
Yeah.
Box isn't really big enough.
Over there. It's not big enough.
No, maybe
You can lay them on that little table.
right on the table. Okay, thank you. There you go.
Well, this is taken. I mean, this I have. I
Okay,
counted.
thank you.
Now, can you tell me what you got there?
$1.
Wait, I got it here. $6.50 and $1. Okay.
$2. $1 total. $1. And then 1, 2, 3. There's 4 hats, so another $1.
Okay.
Throw them in there. This was in the box. I didn't really
We
want
don't
it.
know what it is. Just
Yeah.
put it over there.
Yeah, it was open in that box.
Okay.
And I think the rest is just clothing. Just throw this in. And that well, yeah, I paid for that, but I broke it. That's broken.
Oh, I'm supposed to put it in the bag.
Yeah, this I guess we can throw that away. Unfortunately, I dropped it and broke it. It was a cool piece too, but it happens.
I'll put this in your box. You have to read that.
All right, so
I'm ready.
okay. Well, this one I'm gonna pass on. It has a stain on it. I'll put that back.
Actually, if you want it, just take it. 'Cause we would just take it. We would probably put it with. Yeah.
It's $2. $2. Okay. I think these are $2. $2. $2. $8. $1. Probably should check that first, huh? Here we got 50 cents. $1. $1. $3. That's Carhartt. And 5 on that, I think. Yeah, that was 5. $1.50.
Okay, I'm taking my tray. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Excuse me, sorry.
Fine.
You did good.
Yeah. And one more. $1.
We done?
Yep,
All right.
that's it.
You have to give me a little bit of time here.
You're fine. Take your time. Thank you.
Do you want them in? Can you put them in the bag?
Yeah, you can get it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 18.
Didn't you want them in a bag?
I can probably just carry the clothing out and just come back and get the rest.
You sure?
Yes. All right, guys, so that was a pretty good sale. We got a decent amount of items for 50 bucks. The total was like, I think the total was 40 something, and I gave her 60. I said, just give me a 10 back. I think I donated like $6 or $7, something like that. Not too bad. We're definitely going to make our money back off of the Carhartt. It is made in USA. It's got a couple stains on it. I'm pretty sure they're going to come out.